Hello, my name's Katelyn. I'm the Community Recreation Coordinator at the Dartmouth North Community Center, and today we are going to be making sock puppets with socks that you have around your house. So supplies that you are going to need to make a sock puppet is socks. Any mix-match socks that you have at home will work. And then any other craft supplies. So you'll need some glue. You can use a liquid glue, which might take a little bit longer to dry, or you can use a glue gun. Now, if you're using a glue gun and scissors, make sure you have an adult supervision and help if needed. I also have some felt foam and some pipe cleaners and googly eyes. You can use whatever you have to make your own sock puppets at home. Okay, so today I have 2 socks. And just so we can all get sorted, this is where I'm going to put the face. So if you put your sock on your hand, the heel is going to be in the back of my hand. And the toe I'm going to put in, and I'm going to use it just like that. So here is how we're going to make our sock puppet so that we have a face and a back. We'll do it for both of them. And what we're going to do is I have some felt and some foam. I have some pipe cleaners, pom-poms, and googly eyes. So whatever you have at your house lying around, you can use to create your own sock puppets. So we're going to do some cutting, and I would like to have a big smile, some eyes, and maybe some funky hair. So let's get started. So I'm going to glue some pom-poms onto my sock right here. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can also use some liquid glue. It might just take a little bit longer to dry, so you just have to be patient. So I'm putting some pom-poms on, and I'm actually going to glue some googly eyes to my pom-poms as well. Awesome. Ooh, glue everywhere. Make sure you're extra careful that you don't burn yourself when you're using the hot glue gun. So here's what I have so far. I have a sock puppet with 2 eyes. Perfect. So let's add some eyebrows and some hair. I'm going to use green pipe cleaner for an eyebrow. So I'm going to cut them nice and short. I'm going to take my glue gun. I'm going to put some glue on it. Oop. And glue on my green eyebrows. Perfect. Eyes and eyebrows. Now let's make some funky hair. We'll take some pink. I'm going to make some longer pieces this time. And we're going to glue them on the side and falling off of our sock puppet. Put a bunch of glue on it, and we're going to make some hair. Okay. And there we have it. We made our first sock puppet. As you can see, I've also made some other sock puppets. I have a puppy dog with some big floppy ears and a pink tongue, and a kitty cat. You can make as many sock puppets as you like and be as creative as you want. You can make silly monsters, you can make dresses and tuxedos and decorate them with anything you have. And then when you're done, you can hang a puppet show. So right here, I have a plain box that we painted, and you can put a puppet show on. So in the back of the box, we have a little hole, and you just put your hand underneath, and there is a hole cut out so you can fit right in. And now you can have a sock puppet play.